Logic. Logic has. Don't negate logic. That's the paradox. Osho was also telling the same thing. Patriji also says what it has happened in my life. Because most of the people, they go to extremes. This is called oscillation syndrome. They leave non-vegetarian food, they leave drinks, they leave everything. For 3 months they leave everything to only meditation. They come back. Everyone, they will never do meditation. 3 months quota, they go in that extreme, go to that extreme. They literally live on what they are negating. So that means you should not fight with logic, because logic has a purpose. Okay? You cannot say, I will not use calculator. Please use calculator to a certain level, but you cannot use calculator with your son. I have given you so much back. That is where the relationships are getting strained nowadays. Where you are supposed to use logic, you use it. Where you are not supposed to. Okay. You cannot trust somebody who you don't know, and he will put 3 namas, like Tirupati Nama. Then you say, I doubted him. I should have doubted him. But he talks so beautifully. That means he has an intention to cheat you. That means you have a boosting. He has praised you. That means you have lost the sensitivity of this third eye. A person who has the ability to see through this can see that person in and out. Who is he? What is he? Okay? Aura, we call it. What intention is it? Is he come here to loot me? Is he come here to make a difference? Is he come here to have a good relation, a win-win relationship? Or is he a cheater? No, we'll get a hint. That is the reason I always tell you, don't use your 2 eyes, use your third eye. If you want to take a decision. Because especially, I was talking just now about 1 hour back to Mohan. If you want to do anything, vision or whatever it is, you have to be dynamic. You can't sit in a place and do things. Okay? You have to move around. You have to do things. When you do prachara, the comments will come. You do negative comments, positive comments will come. 20% people will say, no, this is wrong. What are you doing? But you are negating that 80% who are accepting you. So, somewhere our focus should be, okay, fine, so what? I take criticism also. I take criticism. Right. This is called Madhyam Path. What Buddha says. So, I was talking about from home to tomb. You travel and you meet a lot of people, you gain a lot of degrees, you gain experience, you meet masters, you move forward, you fail sometime, you succeed sometime. If you have the alignment, I will always tell that truth is one value, you can take 5 and committed to the path of truth, 5. What else values you can do? Write down. Because these things we have done in the past. We asked Vishwanath, we have done workshop. What are the values you have committed to? Okay. And in my talk, just now, clock versus compass, you can see. You always look at the clock. Speed, time. You come to know that if you go on the Ballari road, if you want to go to Mysore, suppose if you want to go to Mysore, if you are on Ballari road, if you go at 150 kilometers speed, where you will go, Ballari or Mysore? So, what is the point in going on speeds? The problem is your direction itself is wrong. You got to first set the direction. How to set direction? Again, abstract statement. I don't know what is the purpose of my life. Meditate. That is the reason we say meditate. If you want to know the purpose of your life, meditate. Take risk. Bring alignments. Bring the Adbhuta Rasa. I am talking about all these values. Because if you don't have this, if you have only, don't negate logic. Again, the problem with some people is no. Logic, magic works hand in hand. Risk, reward works hand in hand. Sometimes you fail them. Take it along. Take it along. Never negate anything. Why you negate darkness? The value for light became relevant because of darkness. Rama became relevant because of Ravana. Okay? Arjuna became more relevant because of Duryodhana. You got it? Arjuna was more powerful than Arjuna. Duryodhana was more powerful than Arjuna. Ravana was far more powerful than Rama in terms of their skills, in terms of the Yuddha, the Kale. The problem was Ankara, which made them. Okay. So it is not the strength and knowledge and skills you have in your hand, but is what is inside you. Got it? I may have 2-3 degrees, she may have 2-3 degrees. All these are external. Degrees of what? This person has passed in first class in engineering, that's all. MBA. Is it a passport? Passport for what? Money, yes. Passport for work, passport for good lifestyle. If that lady who committed suicide, whatever the actress, if she had asked all this, she would not have killed herself. Correct? So what? You cannot make a bloody one person the meaning of your life. You cannot get stuck with one person. Move on. So what? Your relationship have failed. Accept it. So what? Got it? Everything purport is another. Whatever you touch will become gold. Whatever you do is become success. No. It will become failure. Relationship fails. Accept it. No. No differences should be there in the family. No differences should be there in my office. Then you are defeated in the beginning itself. I always tell my team, having differences is beautiful. Accept it first. Agree to disagree first. Yes, we have disagreement, and let us agree. The way I look at life, the way you look at life is different. I am born in 60s, you are born in 80s. The way you look at the world is different, fine. Maybe right. If you look at it like this, it looks like a straight edge. But I am looking here, the rectangle. Got it? If I look like this, it might argue that it is a straight edge. But you are sitting here, I am sitting here. Please ask him to come here and see, otherwise you go there. It will become a rectangle. Always you fight, no, it's a straight line. No, it's a rectangle. No, it's a straight line. What happens? You never meet. Either you should have a love to go, or you have a power. Come. That is power. Teamwork. Yes, the way you look at it. No, I am looking at a different angle. So, somewhere these kind of thoughts you have to bring in. And alignment, when I say alignment, your vision, your daily goals, your activities, your work, communication. In communication, there are two types of communication. What is that? Inner, outer. My inner communication says is blah 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 blah. It is not good. Every time it will be happening. Without your knowledge, it will be happening. Outer is what is speak. Next is feelings. It is very stuffy. You get into heart, that the feelings. Then your thoughts. See the alignment. A real monkhood, Jangama, andre, avaniಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ alignment ಇರುತ್ತೆ. He knows where he want to go, but even though he may lost here and there, but he still knows where he want to go. Okay. You don't have to be obsessive about your destinations. Problem is, you are so obsessed with destination, you are not ready to take anything. I only see my goal. But you have to work here today. Your goal will be achieved after 20 years. But why you are spoiling your 20 years of travel? It is full of obsession.